market day. And like I've always been telling you, every day is farm money minting day. A friend of mine advised me not to use money printing day. It looks somehow violent. Huh? So because it's soft money, we say it's funny minting day. So today we are still on Sukuma Wiki, harvesting them. I want to take them to the market, and I don't want to leave anything here because I want to remove everything, including everything. To make sure everything is removed. The dirty leaves, we are not culling them. We are only culling the clean leaves. So one thing I like about vegetable farming is you don't need to be that experienced to be a vegetable farmer. You don't need to have a lot of money to be a vegetable farmer. You don't need to have so many skills to be a vegetable farmer. All you need is quality seeds and enough water. As you can see, as I'm harvesting from one edge, irrigation is taking place on the other side. So enough water is all that you need for you to be a successful vegetable farmer. And today I'm going to the local market. I'm not taking them to the big market. So I need to fasten. And in most cases, our local markets here are always in the evening. So that's why I'm harvesting my Sukuma Wiki in the evening to go and mint some money. So these are how I harvest them. Harvesting them is very simple as this. This is the most interesting part of vegetable farming, which is harvesting and taking them to the market. So no matter, some people usually don't like vegetable farming because of the amount of money they give is less as compared to other farm produce. But I usually find it worth as compared to not doing any type of farming, or to leaving your land idle without farming. I usually consider it's a good deal. So you harvest, you're only getting removing the quality leaves. The rest we are disposing them. So it's as simple as this. Grading usually starts from the farm, so I'm not culling with me any leaf that is deceased, so that this is where we start our grading to make sure we carry quality leaves